Hello, thanks for joining me. This is Michael Hayes of the Living Legacy Group, and we want to wish you a good day today. We've got a lot of information to share with you, but first, after this message, we'll be right back.
Binance had about a $42 million
South
hack
Korean
at the
cryptocurrency
time
exchange
of,
Bithumb was hacked
We're not
for
talking
$19
about
million.
tens of thousands, we're talking about tens of millions and hundreds of
was taking
millions
advantage of
dollars being lost.
There's about 7,000 Bitcoin that were stolen from the hot wallet.
Today, holding cryptocurrencies is courageous. Tomorrow, it needs to be customary. It is time to build further on the minds that came before us. Never settle for less. It is here and now that you can take control of your money, control of your identity. Blockchain is just getting started. No more collusion of the centralized. Technology is nothing without the people. Nothing without the resonance of our everlasting disagreement with the status quo. To accelerate adoption, we need a revolution in empowerment, something more secure, something more convenient. This year, this month, this day, start truly owning what is yours with Engrave.
44,000 Ethereum. That's how much my previous project was hacked for.
As you know, this is not the only case.
That's why we created Engrave.
Our mission is to empower you to truly own your cryptocurrencies in a secure and intuitive way. Unlike traditional hardware wallets that still need a connection, imagine one where all connectivity is removed.
No Wi-Fi, no NFC, no Bluetooth, no USB. We did it, and we call it the Engrave Zero.
We removed all online vulnerabilities. Your keys are never exposed, ever.
Even if someone gets their hands on your Zero, the device is designed to detect any intrusion, and it will wipe all the keys.
We developed our solution with world-leading institutions, and our secure firmware has earned a certification higher than banks. That's how serious we take security.
Transactions are made swift and simple using our mobile app and QR codes. Scan a transaction request, verify and sign it offline, and send the signed transaction back to the blockchain. Your phone has zero information on your private keys.
But it doesn't stop there. If you lose your hardware wallet, you need a timeless backup. Therefore, we created the Engrave Graphene. No more paper wallets. From now on, you can recover your keys from our stainless steel encrypted puzzle.
Le produit Engrave, c'est la solution pour garder vos tokens et votre crypto-monnaie dans un lieu sûr.
To ensure a great customer experience, we involved the end user throughout the entire process. Because of our journey, we deeply understand the need for quality assurance, which is why we make our products in Belgium, the heart of Europe.
Back us today and become part of Batch Zero. It is your crypto. Start truly owning what is yours.
Hey, thanks for joining me today. My name is Michael Hayes, founder of the Living Legacy Group, and if you're interested in learning how to make money online using the power of network marketing and affiliate marketing, then join our community free and let me guide you towards a successful online entrepreneurship. And don't wait any longer. Start your journey today with us here at the Legacy Group. In today's topic, we're going to be discussing a little hack that I'm going through myself. And for people that don't know me, I am a what you call a person that believes in the laws of the universe and manifestation, affirmation, attraction, and all these things because I've lived I've lived all of that. It's been, I've got some stories. But anyways, not to get off the subject, but this little hack will help you understand how to rethink about when you are in a need of money. Okay. I find myself, in this situation when the things are just, you've got a lot that's going on in your life and in your mind that will seem like there's no way out, but there is a way out, and there's a way that we can show you here how to rethink and recalibrate how you can manifest anything in your life, whether it's money, career, anything. Okay, because it's all one thing that we already have, and there is an abundance of it. You just have to be aware on how to obtain it. So the first thing is to, when you get into that need, that you need money, just draw back and understand that the need is already fulfilled. But as long as you give the universe the feeling of needing, that's exactly what the universe is giving back to you. It's giving you that needy, I need. But if you consider this, I picked up this affirmation and I've been using it for the last week, and it's awesome. Say to yourself, I have enough. Okay, whether you have to work with the universe and to work with getting these things to work for you, you have to emit a feeling. Okay, and it's hard. This is the hardest study you'll ever do. This is the hardest work you'll ever do, becoming an entrepreneur into doing your own thing, because there are so many forces that are against you that you're not aware of. Okay, and they're not bad forces; they're just habits. And once you can realize that, in order for us to get habits to work with us, then you can open that realm that nobody ever sees, because we're still in that herd mentality. But anyways, you make yourself feel that I have enough. Okay, when you sit down and you for a meal and you look at your food, look at what you have, and give that sense of gratitude, and look and say, I have enough. And there's one chance out of 99 that you won't be able to finish, because you have more than enough. Keep saying that. I've got more than enough. So when you get your paycheck, I know I've been there. I've seen FICA. I've seen state taxes. I've seen child support. I've seen it all. I've had paychecks where I've worked my butt off for 2 weeks, end up with $75. I've been there. I know. So when I'm telling you these things, I'm telling you out of experience. So what you need to do is you have to give this feeling of gratitude that you do have a source of income, because, I was at a point where I felt I didn't have a source of income, but that was my own thinking, to rethink that. And when I look at my paycheck, or look at even the income that I'm making in my home services business, I have to look at those funds and say, I have enough to pay X, Y, and Z. Even if I physically look at it and see it don't add up, I have to give this profound sense of gratitude that my wish is already fulfilled. So when it comes to not really per se physically having enough, you can always alter whatever it is that you feel that you don't have enough. Because when I say alter, you can give that creditor a call. You can say, hey, listen, I've been trying everything in my power to come up with this payment, and I haven't been doing it. And 99 times out of 10 or 100, you'll be able to negotiate. You'll be able to make arrangements. You'll be able to then relieve that stress of not having it right now and not having enough. Because when you that level, that it I know what that feels like. I live it every time. I'm not saying that I have gotten to the level where I am showing the extravagance of having that type of lifestyle. I'm with you. We're all locked arm in arm in this journey to develop a wealth mentality to live the lifestyle we want to live. Having an abundance of money or abundance of whatever it is, it's not something that is a show off type of thing. You live this thing, people just see it. They just see it. So take this into part that, the need is fulfilled. The want is there. And whether you call him God, the source, Allah, whatever you have labeled the formless, the thinking stuff, approach it with gratitude, approach it with sincere humbleness, and believe me, you won't feel like there is something missing in your life, or you've been shorted, or any of those feelings that you come up with. I do appreciate your time that you spent with me today. And on our next lesson, we are going to be diving into the misconceptions of network marketing and how people have really made it a, what do you call it? Get rich quick scheme, isn't? And I'm going to show you how you can combine the power of that and affiliate marketing, and how you can start a passive income that's going to be running in the background while you do your regular reading. This is your friend, your sponsor,